Все, можемо йти, так? Ми хочемо зараз подарувати подарунок нашому дуже доброму другу нашого клубу, всього українського футболу, Томасу Ністеру, який приїхав сюди спеціально підтримати нашу команду. Ну, я думаю, що з його підтримкою ми виступили краще, так що давайте його привітаємо. У нас є такий маленький подаруночок, фірмовий шоколад від містерні шоколаду міста Львова. Якщо йдемо його вітати. Thomas, we have something for you.
Handmade chocolate from the...
Yes, this is no ordinary chocolate. This is so that life is always sweet. There's all kinds of flavors. There's like more than 20, I think. You can check it out and you can have, when you eat it, think of Lemberg and Ukrainian floorball. And think of the referees that are great.
The referees in Lemberg.
We greet you. This is for you, man. Thank you for coming and supporting.
I think I will come Friday basically.
Very good.
Because I have practice, but Friday I'm free.
Tell Lemberg great wishes on camera.
Do you really need that?
I'm just asking a question. Hey, the camera is rolling. Thomas.
I don't know what to say.
Hi. Okay.
Well, best wishes for the Lemberg floorball team.
There you go. Thank you. Дякуємо,
Storvreta
Томасу.
Cup.
Дякуємо, Томасу. Say дякую in Ukraine means thank you. Дякую.
No, I can't say it. Because I don't know what to say.
I think the weirdest interview was Thomas with Pasha Krivushkin.
Wait. With Basha came over?
No, he was like, oh, this is Thomas.